Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are we going to learn today? Favorite of all, my favorite is Excel tricks and tips. Already I have made 3 to 4 videos on that, and today's trick are going to make you fast and efficient as always. These tricks are hiding inside Excel, and using them every day will make you more efficient in Excel. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again, and today we are going to learn some Microsoft Excel tips and tricks that can help you when you are stuck. So the first trick is very simple. Suppose we have to write some complicated formula like filter, VLOOKUP, sort, or any formula which has a lot of arguments and you do not know what the arguments are. So we will try it very simple. Suppose I try the sort formula equal to sort. Now when I am typing all this, there are many things coming up. I do not know which is which. Okay, so what we can do is very simple. Whenever we are doing any formula, we can simply click here and it will guide us step by step process of what the things are and how to proceed. Suppose array, the range of array to sort, right? So what we can choose is here simple. Okay, sort index. When I am coming here, it is giving me the idea, a number indicating the row or column to sort by, right? So suppose I want through amount, what will be the index? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we will write here 6. Sort order, sort order, a number indicating the desired sort order, 1 for ascending order and -1 for descending. Suppose we want normal ascending sort. Okay, and by column, a logical value indicating the desired sort direction, false to sort by row, so we want by rows, and true to sort by columns, we do not want by columns. So since by default it is by row only, we can simply keep it blank and OK, and you can see within a second you get the desired sorting amount wise, which is amazing. We can try on any formula, whether it is VLOOKUP or filter or complex formulas, if anything. We simply have to click this FX button and it's just so helpful. So moving on, we come to the second trick. When you are scrolling the data, you tend to miss out on the heading. So again we have to go up. Yes, this is amount, this is boxes, and again now, oh, this is, what is this? This is the product. So this cannot be done again and again. So what you can do is very simple. You can just freeze the top row so that it stays every time you scroll the data. Not only this, you can also freeze the columns or any specific thing, right? I will show you. So first we freeze the top row and see. So what we have to do is simply go to view. There are 3 options: freeze panes, freeze top row, freeze first column. So first we try with freeze top row, and now when I am scrolling, you can see that the heading stays and it is very easy for me. Similarly, if we want to do something that a column stays, we want to see the name. Here the data is small, but if the data is spreading to many columns, then what we can do is keep the column also steady. How? Very simple, freeze panes, and suppose now I write freeze first column. So you will see that as we move on the side, the first column stays. Now the third thing was that, for maybe you want rows also and columns also. This is little bit tricky, but I will tell you the position matters. So you can see that my mouse is here. What I want is that this and this both. So I have to keep my mouse here. This will do that. The rows above and the row besides all will be freezed. So this is the third option, freeze pane. Freeze panes. Neither I want the top row nor the first column, but the position here matters. This is the only trick, freeze panes. Now you can see that when I am going side also, they are there, and when I am going down also, the name is also there and the heading is also there. So this is very simple, and I've already told you with alt keys you can do amazing things. So the shortcut is alt WF, and for rows it is R, for C and freeze panes, right? Alt WF and R. So you can do it in a fraction of a second. Trick number 3, again it is very helpful. Suppose when we have a columnar data which has a lot of column and we have to keep scrolling to the right. So what you can do is, with the mouse itself, scrolling down is easy, and when you press the Control Shift button, you can scroll to the sideways. So this can be a trick handy when you want to scroll in a long form data which has many columns. You don't have to go sideways and everything, or go here and do the sideways thing. You simply can press Ctrl Shift and move your mouse like this. Scroll the mouse and it will automatically go sideways. Trick number 4, very simple. Many a times we just want to give serial number, right? So what we can do is normal trick 1 2 3 and all this, right? Then we can just drag it down, pressing the control thing and all this. Sometimes it doesn't work, right? So simple, we can just see that it is 2189 data, right? One is the headings, so 2188. So just simply type equal to sequence 2188 and press enter, and within 1 second you will see that you got the serial number amazingly. Coming to the next trick number 5, one of my favorite trick. So what we can do is very simple. Suppose we have a normal sample data, initial investment of 6 lakh, interest rate is 7.5% and term is 6 years. So value of the interest will be this much. Now we have to do the calculation that we want a desired value of maybe 6 lakh or 3 lakh or 5 lakh. Just let us keep it to 5 lakh. Now what should be changed? Suppose we want to change the term, that we will increase the term up to that level when the desired value becomes 5 lakh. So what we will do, we will check manually. No, 8 9, this is not the thing. In Excel you don't have to work so much. What we can do is simply go to the data tab and what if analysis and goal seek. When you have any goal for a number, you can do it very easily. Suppose the amount column is there, right? Set cell amount column, we have given amount column is the formula that contains the multiplication of these three. So amount column we have selected, set cell E6. Okay, to value is what we want. Suppose we want 5 lakh. Okay, and by changing out of the three, which one we need to change? Suppose we will need to increase the term. Okay, so term is E5. Okay, and okay, and you will see 11.1111 years. If you keep, it will be 5 lakh. Once again we will see, maybe with the rate we can see. So what we will do, again we'll go to data, what if analysis, goal seek. We want to set the E6 to 5 lakh by changing. This is the main thing. Now suppose we want to increase the interest. Okay, we want to see at 6 lakh rupees in 8 years, at how much interest rate will they become 5 lakh. So simple, we press the interest key. Okay, and you will see that at 10.42% it will become 5 lakh in 8 years. So this can be amazingly helpful many times. Now the next trick number 6, small things that you can change in Excel to help you a lot. So we go back to our tab, and what we can do is right click here, and you see that suppose when we are selecting anything, you see that sum and count is available, right? And right side many things are available. You want many other things. So what we can do is simply right click and choose from many things. Suppose I want minimum, maximum, right? All this. So what we can do is next time you will see minimum value is there, maximum value is there. Not only this, the best thing about this I like is the workbook statistics. Okay, you will see that there is a workbook statistics. So as soon as I click it, not only of the current sheet but of the entire workbook, I will get everything. So current sheet, end of the sheet is H2100, cells with data is this much. There are 0 tables and there are 2188 formulas. Similarly, workbook, there are total 4 sheets. You can see there are 3 only, but if I show you, suppose I press the OK, and you can see one sheet is hidden. Okay, so there are total 4 sheets. And the same thing, the cell with data, this table 0, formulas 2189. So this can be amazing to analyze the data gist in one go, which is accurate. You cannot find anything missing here, right? The last trick, and a beautiful trick once again. Suppose when you have to zoom out things to show, sometimes maybe there is some audience or anyone where you have to zoom out the things. So normally what we do is, here with zoom screener we are using like this and we are missing out, right? So this has to be adjusted as per our requirement. So what we can do is, suppose I want only 6 person's data, that can be zoomed to the highest. What we can do is click on this 120% and fit selection. So whatever I have selected, only that portion will be zoomed to the highest. you can see as far as possible it has done the 6% the highest zoom possible. So these are few tricks. I hope you have learned something. We will come up with upcoming tricks more and more, so that small tricks save you a lot of time. And as I already told, I have already made 3 to 4 videos on tricks using pivot table, using find and select, normal tricks. All these are hiding inside Excel, and learning it can sometimes save you really a lot of time. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video. You got some value out of this video. Don't forget to like the video in order to make YouTube Baba happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video.